Dear students, let's start our basic science class. Let's discuss the points that we have studied in the previous classes. The first one, light travels in a straight line. For clarifying this point, we perform an experiment with cardboard and candle. Did you remember that? Okay, the second point, transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Transparent objects are the objects which allow light to pass through it. Example is glass. Translucent objects are objects which partially allows light to pass through it. Example, oil paper. The third one, opaque objects are objects which does not allow light to pass through it. Example is cardboard. Opaque objects can make shadows. So let's have our first activity. Activity number 1. In which of the pipes does the image can be seen? That is curved or straight. And the second one, plastic cover, glass, ball. Which among the object make a shadow? So there are two questions. You have to answer it. Through experiments, we understand that opaque objects make shadows. Ball is an opaque object. Earth is also similar to a ball. So Earth have also shadow, right? There is an interesting phenomena made by this peculiarity of Earth. It is a lunar eclipse. In Malayalam, we call it as Chandra Grahanam. There are two types of eclipses, that is, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. We know that Earth is revolving around the Sun in a fixed path. Moon is revolving around the Earth. These three celestial bodies, that is Sun, Moon and Earth, can be in a straight line. That is, the position of Sun, Moon and Earth makes a straight line sometimes. This is the reason for these two eclipses, that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Let's examine each eclipse in detail. When Earth comes in between Moon and Sun, the light from the Sun blocked by the Earth. Thus we cannot see the Moon as before. This is called lunar eclipse. It happens in a full moon day. Let's denote the position of these three celestial bodies as MES for lunar, where M stands for moon, E, that is Earth, in between the Sun and the Moon, and S stands for Sun. So MES for lunar eclipse. Let's have some simple questions about lunar eclipse. So activity number 2, the first question, the shadow of which planet makes a lunar eclipse? Second one, how was the position of central bodies for lunar eclipses? In which day does the lunar eclipse occurs? So we discussed about the lunar eclipses. The light of Sun did not fall in the Moon because of the shadow of Earth. During the lunar eclipse, we cannot see the Moon as before. You can watch a video regarding this lunar eclipse. So you can watch it. Let's go to the third activity. Activity number 3. What is lunar eclipse? Describe it with the help of a diagram. So rest in the next class.